Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to make folders in Gmail. So basically, let's open Gmail application on our device. And now here's the thing. Gmail doesn't call them folders because they are called labels. And so to create a label, you need to open the menu. This is the three horizontal lines that are located in the upper left corner of your screen. And here you can see create new with the plus sign. And now you need to name your label. For example, let it be work. Press save button. And now you can see that we have created this label. To move an email to this folder, open any message in your inbox. Tap on the three dots right here. And here you can see label. And select the label. Press done. And now when you open this label, you will see that this email was moved to this label. So that's how you can make a folder in Gmail. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave your thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.